What's up guys, this is FurCloud for the Sound Design channel, and in today's video we are going to be making a simple melodic house arpeggio slash pluck, and we're going to be making it completely from scratch using Serum. So let's get right to it. This is how the pluck sounds. And for those who are interested, this is how the MIDI looks like. It's a chord progression, and it sounds like this. And to make it an arpeggio, I have a Logic arpeggiator plugin. It's a stock plugin, and I have it at 1/16th rate, just like that. Okay, so now let's recreate the sound. Let's open up a brand new instance of Serum. And let's copy our channel. Open up our arpeggio plugin. And as usual, let's keep our original Serum as a reference. Okay, so let's get started. So for this sound, as we can see, we only have one oscillator, and it's the oscillator A. So let's go to analog and let's select the analog BD sine wave shape. Now let's go here and turn on the bend plus minus. And let's turn the A warp to about 30%. Just like that. And now let's go to the envelope 1 and let's turn the decay to about 277 or 70. That. And let's turn the sustain of the sound to about 30. And let's turn the release to about 600. Sounds a little cleaner if it's at 400, so let's leave it at 489 milliseconds. And now let's attach this envelope 1 to our bend plus minus. Now let's go to the voicing and turn on mono. So now our mix is much cleaner because this is a pluck, and we're not going to be using the sound for a chord progression. So yeah, that's good. Let's go to the effects section and let's turn on the EQ. So we do have some low end here, so let's remove it. Just like that, and let's put the EQ before all other plugins, other effects. We have a much cleaner sound. So let's turn on the chorus now and reverb. In the chorus, let's turn the mix to about 24%, 20% is good. And let's turn the mix of the reverb to about 40%. And we can adjust our envelope to make it sound more interesting, and we can even automate it later. Alright guys, that's how you make a simple melodic house arpeggio / pluck using Serum. You can find this preset in the pack linked below. It's called Melodic House Presets or Serum. And as always, thank you so much for watching and see you soon.